Good afternoon, welcome to Mathematics June. There's a simple question on logarithm, and then we are asked to simplify. How do you solve this question? Let's look at it together. We have the solution. I have 1 over 2 log 25 over 4 to the base of 10 minus 2 log 4 over 5 to the base of 10 plus the log of 320 over 125 to the base of 10. How do we simplify this? One of the laws of logarithm is that when we have log of a number with a power moves to become a multiplier. Just like there is a half 1 over 2 here, there is another 2 here. 1 over 2 is multiplying the log of 25 over 4 to the base of 10. Likewise, 2 is multiplying 4 over 5 log 4 over 5 to the base of 10. Now the laws, you can move from a power to become a multiplier. You can move from a multiplier to become a power. In this situation, we are moving a multiplier to become a power. This will give us log 25 over 4 to the base of 10 all raised to the power 1 over 2 minus log 4 over 5 to the base of 10 all over 2 plus the log of 320 over 125 to the base of 10. From set, when I have any number raised to the power half, that number is the same as the square root of that number. So if I have 2 raised to the power half, this is the same as square root of 2. From this can be written as log to the base of 10, the root of 25 all over the root of 4. That is, the half is affecting both things over here, minus the log of 16 over 25 all to the base of 10 plus, now you can break 320 down and the 125 down. Now 125, you can say that 5 goes into 125 25 times, and then 5 goes into 320 64 times, all to the base of 10. This will give us log 5 over 4. That is the root of 25 is 5, the root of 4, is 2, so here is 2, to the base of 10, minus log 16 over 25 all to the base of 10 plus the log of 64 over 25 all to the base of 10. This, from the laws of logarithm, we can say that when logarithms to the same base are subtracting, the law says we should keep a single log and then we divide. Likewise, when the log to the same base are adding, we should keep a single base and multiply. This we can put together as log 5 over 2 base 10. Now, as a result of the subtraction here, we are keeping a single logarithm, and then this, because of the subtraction, here become divided by 16 over 25, and as a result of the division, it will become times 64 over 25. From this, I can change from log to the base of 10. Mathematics with division is changed to multiplication, and the reciprocal of the fraction after the operation sign is taken. So 5 over 2 times 25 over 16 times 64 over 25. This we have the log to the base of 10, 5 over 2 times 25 over 16 times 64 over 25. We cancel out. 16 can go into itself 1, can go here 4. 25 can go here 1, goes here 1. Then 2 can go into itself 1, then go here 2. What is left? Log 5 times 1 times 2 times 1 times 2 all over 1 times 1 times 1 all to the base of 10. This we are getting the log of 10 to the base of 10. And from the properties of logarithm, the log of a number to the same base is 1. So we have answer here to be 1. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the solution to the problem. Have a great day. Goodbye.